Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to view the owner of one of your sheets in the Google Sheets application. But before I do that, I want to say one thing. Please subscribe, comment, and like our videos because it really helps us grow. Okay, now let's jump into it. As you can see, I have opened up my Google Sheets application. I'm currently signed into my freshly created brand new account which I created only for these videos. Well, let's choose a sheet which we want an example. I'm gonna choose this one titled No. You can choose your own, of course. You are going to click at the three dots to the right of your sheet's title. These three dots, click on those. Here you have to scroll down all the way until you find an option called Details and Activity. Click on that, and here you have in the first column in the fourth row called the title called owner, and it as you can see it says my name is Justa. It's not my name, but it's my account's name. But if anybody else is the owner of this sheet, it will be written out here. Okay guys, thanks for listening. See you in the next one.